Hello, in this video we are going to look at the immediate mode of addressing. It is actually really simple. The immediate mode for addressing is essentially when you provide a literal present. It's going to do some sort of write, and number one for the EBX register means it's going to be some sort of standard output that's going to be pumped to the console, and when we run it we get hello world. But this if I just put, so this would be 8, 4, 2, and 1, and remember it is still getting the same value. So that's all immediate addressing mode is. But if you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual I look forward to seeing you in the next video.